In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add shipping cost on Wix. This is actually very straightforward, so let's get started right away. So what you want to do is you want to go to My Sites and then select any site you want to add the shipping cost to. So for example, my site 4, we're going to click on this, and immediately our dashboard will show up. So what you want to do is you want to click on the settings right here. You will get a few different settings as you can see, and right here it already says store shipping. So we want to click on that. Once you're here, you can basically select or add a region. So currently we have international shipping and shipping in my country. You can even add another country if you want to, but for example, let's say we want free shipping in my own country, but for the rest of the world we want to have a certain amount of they have to pay for the shipping. So we're just gonna click on the rest of the world, and currently it's set on free shipping. So there's a few different settings you can choose from. Flat rate, apply the same rate for a customer's entire order. Rate by weight, calculate rate based on total weight of the customer's order. Calculate rate based on the total price of a customer's order. Apply shipping rates for groups or products. Only allow customers to pick up their orders in person. So we can choose from these different sort of settings, and I'm going to choose the rate by weight. So yeah, as you can see, this looks like this, and we can choose our own weight. So depending on the products you sell, if you for example sell I don't know, phone cases, then most of your products won't even be 1 kilogram. But if you sell, let's say PCs or PC parts, it can go up to or higher than 1 kilogram. So what you can choose, for example, so let's say we want to choose the kilograms to, for example, 3, and we will choose the shipping cost for about 10, for example. And then right here you can select 3 to maybe 8 right here, and then make it 20, for example. So just like this, and then 8 and up, you can make it, for example, 35 or something like that, you know. So this is actually very straightforward, and make sure to click on save. But I'm going to show you guys what the for example rate by price is. Here you can just say like, okay, so till 20 euros the shipping is 3 euros, for example, and from 20 to up it is gonna be 8, for example. So you know it, and yeah, make sure to click on save. And you need to choose the delivery option name as well, and the estimated time. Sorry, I forgot about that. So once you've done all this, you can just save it up, and that's basically how it works. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.